Part of this drill is going to be just simple. Now we're going to move. So you have to get used to being able to do this same thing while you're moving. We're going to make movement easy here because we're just going to go backwards and forwards so that you can understand how to push and pull an opponent and throw shots. So we're going to start back, and then I'm going to tell her to go forward, or I'm going to tell her I'm coming forward, and then she's going to start going back and throwing the shot. So here we go, and go. And forward. And back. Good. Down into it. Forward. Back. Forward. Good. So you can change that pace, but try to do it in an even pace when you start, because changing the pace will add another layer of difficulty, but then you can change that pace. So you can do that a few times so they get used to the timing of movement, because your feet are changing constantly in this throw. So they have to find the timing with the throw and their feet to be in the right position. The last part, after you get used to that piece, and this doesn't need to be rushed, it could be over multiple days, but the last part of this becomes a little bit more side and rotational movement. So we're going to set up, I'm going to give her some tension, she's going to find times to make this go. So one thing to remember on this one is when you throw that, she was falling into me constantly. So the key on there is to remind them, you really want to throw that and fall out a little bit so that you have control of the range. And what I mean by that is, here's her falling in on a throw. See how she's close now. So you're going to throw this and kind of fall out. Now she has control of the range now. Yeah, there. Good. So in that case, she has control of the range. And again, this is another layer. So we're moving sideways. You notice she has a small pause every time she throws that blow, because she's centering herself, getting ready to throw a blow with significant force. Hopefully that helps you guys. That's just one piece. Add different shots. That could be the leg shot. It could be Molinet. Start on the pell, back and forth the next one, and then rotational stuff. And then maybe build it into a real fight at some point. Say, okay, let's, out of every X number of throws, I really want you to throw this as many times as you can, but you can hit me with anything else as well. That way, your opponent still has to be truthful. All right, thank you guys.